Have you ever wondered how this simple tool could help us earn money? Would you believe that you could get hundreds of dollars just by translating texts on Google? Well, if you don't, then this video will prove you otherwise. All you have to do is follow these simple steps I am about to share with you today. In this video, I'll show you how you can generate money anytime without much effort on your part by using Google Translate. So make sure to stay until the end and follow this method step by step. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed to be up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. To begin, open a new tab on Google and type Google Translate into the search bar. With the help of Google Translate and these websites, which I will be showing you today, you can earn over $40 per hour by following the steps that I will demonstrate to you in the following few minutes at no cost at all. Now let's go to Google Translate, where all you have to do is put something into this box, and it will automatically be translated into any language you want. I am currently working on a translation of the Finnish language. As you can see, if I write something here, such as "How are you doing?" in English, it will automatically be translated into Finnish. Since you are familiar with Google Translate at this point, let's go on to the next step, which involves navigating to a different website. Go ahead and visit CPAGrip.com. Now all you need to do is click on the register button, and you will be brought to this page, where you will just need to fill in all of the required information. Be sure to select GPT or website/insent. When prompted to choose a publisher type though, as this is the only option that will result in approval for your application. Then when they ask you where you heard about us, you should tell them that you got the information from YouTube. Now, if you are going to sign into your account, the dashboard that will be presented will look like this. As you can see, some users of CPA Grip have made more than $65,000 using the platform. You can tell that this is a legitimate network because it has provided many users a significant amount of money. Now, all that is required of you is to just go to the payment center that is located right here. By the way, if you use this network to make money anytime, you will be able to generate some additional revenue, but it will not be the primary source of income that we will produce. Now, all that's left to do is get CPA Grip up and running. To begin, all that is required of us is to click the Offer Tools tab. But before we get to the next step, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and tap the subscribe button to see more awesome videos like this. Now let's continue. The next step is to choose a CPA offer from one of the leading countries in Europe that does not speak English and has a slightly larger payout on CPA Grip. After that, it's really up to you to choose which of these CPA offers to take advantage of. So all that is required of you is to choose one of these CPA offerings that you prefer. For instance, we may take advantage of this offer for the iPhone 13. Now make sure that you pick mobile offers. This means that our primary source of traffic employment will be mobile devices. When it comes to this one, I am very certain that this is a mobile offer, and the payment that I will receive for each successful completion will be around $10. Therefore, all that is required of you at this point is to copy your affiliate link right here. The link that you get will be completely unique. Going to this website, which is truly going to pay you this amount of money, even if you don't generate any sales, any CPA commissions, or anything else of some kind, is the next step that you need to take. Now that you have completed the previous step, you can move on to the next one. Our next website can be accessed by typing shortening.com in your browser. If you were to receive views from Australia, for instance, you would be paid $25. If you were to get views from Switzerland, you would be paid $15, and so on. The greatest aspect of the traffic source that I am going to demonstrate to you is the fact that it applies to all of the countries on the planet. Therefore, if you are going to do just what I am about to show you right now, it will not be difficult for you to earn this amount of money. Simply navigate your browser to shortyearn.com and register for a new account there. After you have successfully logged in, the dashboard will appear as seen in the following example. Click on New Shorten link at the top of this page. page, and then copy and paste your affiliate link from CPA Grip into the box that appears. This brings us to the next stage. Then for the alias, choose something very easy to remember. Make sure there is no expiration date listed. After that, all you need to do is click the shorten button, and this will be the URL that has been shortened for you. If we are going to send traffic from Finland, as you can see right here, we are going to get paid $9 every 15 minutes for this traffic. Therefore, the main thing that we need to do is transmit traffic from Finland. I'm going to demonstrate how to complete this task using Finland as an example. However, you may accomplish the same thing for any of these countries. Which country are you going to target? Tell us the country that you are going to select below in the comments. Now, back to the video. After that, all you need to do is copy this URL before going to the next website. Now enter publisher.linkvertise.com into the address bar of your browser. This website functions in the same way as a link shortener, but in addition to this, they will also advertise your link on their search engine. Therefore, you can think of it as a traffic source that is already set up for you. To create a free account, simply go to publisher.linkvertise.com, register, and follow the on-screen instructions. Then once you have successfully logged in, you will get this screen. Now for the following step, simply click on Create a Link right up here and paste the shortened URL that you received from Shorty Earn. After that, simply click on this button over here. Next, you need to make sure that the headline of the CPA offer is going to fit inside the character limit by copying it and pasting it into this space. After that, click on the checkbox on the right to validate your changes. Repeat the headline from the CPA offer in the link's title by copying and pasting it. And this is exactly where Google Translate might be of use to you. Therefore, all I need to do is write something that can be clicked on here. Double check that you will convert it into your target language, and then Google Translate will do the job for me. Now I'm going to make a copy of this and paste it into the appropriate location. It will be approved if you proceed in this manner. Moving on to the link description once again, to move forward, we need a sufficient number of characters. To reiterate, I will just continue to write the same thing. After that, Google Translate will perform the translation for me automatically. Now all I need to do is copy this and paste it in the appropriate spot. The following step is to simply upload a picture of the item, specifically the very same image of the iPhone 13 that was displayed on CPA Grip. You can then see here what our search results are going to look like. And this is our advertisement that is going to be immediately published on their search engine. You can see this by clicking on the link. This is the image that we just posted, and as you've probably observed, it's written in Finnish. Therefore, we can expect traffic from Finland. After you have done that, proceed to the following page by clicking the next button, and there we have it. You will now receive payment from Linkvertise each time someone clicks on the link, and you will also receive payment from Shorty Earn for each click that it receives. In addition to this, you will also receive additional compensation from CPA Grip. Your earnings can be sent directly to your PayPal, so make sure you got that set up. You can therefore grasp the amount of money you are capable of obtaining by using this strategy. And that's how it's done. Easy, right? And the best part is, you could just leave that up and running, and you will just let these websites do the work for you. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more ways to make money anytime. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.